What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andrew back with another video. This one's a little different. It's after the trade. You can tell by the title I won. Well, I don't think I'm doing a specific trade. I think I'm doing the whole week, but this is after the trade. Ended up winning on the EU today. Nice little EMA break with news with the assist. But I'm outside, man. I'm outside, and I'm just out here reminiscing, man. I used to be in that truck unloading around this time, 10 o'clock, in a full chemical hazmat suit, hauling level 8 corrosive material. So just the fact that I'm able to do something like this now, and I've worked hard for this, I'm just forever grateful, man. These pants I be wearing, I wear the same pants every day, bro. But these are the pants I used to wear. See all the holes in them, bro. See all the holes, bro. The acid will eat you up if it touch your skin, bro. This the chair I used to sit in. See all that white stuff? That's caustic. That's sulfuric acid. That's all that BS, bro. It's all that BS, man. But I'm just forever grateful, man. Forever grateful. We had a nice win today. These bugs is crazy. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Today's Tuesday, July 29th. It's currently 9:14, so we're gonna see what we can get in the market. As you can see, I kind of got a little setup marked up. I'm looking for sales, but it's not 15. And I learned from last week, we're gonna wait till market open. So that's what we're doing. I'm sticking with just gold and EU. Gold's a little shaky right now. Not too sure what it's trying to do. But we don't have news until 10, so just gotta wait for it to open, and then we got a brief 30-minute window where we can try to hop in a nice trade if we get something. So you can see we're back. Market just opened. We're still sitting and waiting. So currently what we're looking at is price trending to the downside, made a supply zone, came back and retested it. Now it's back at that same supply zone. Typically I don't enter the same zone if it's already been tapped, so supply zone setup is going to be invalid. This is why you wait until market open. This right here is why you wait. Because I'd have been sick if I lost on it right there. For real, I really would have been sick. Now, directional wise, I have no clue which direction I'm looking for with gold at the moment. So I'm going to stay away from it right now. I don't know what you got going on. Now with EU, like I said, I'm not going to enter a sell just because it was a supply that's already been tapped. So what I'm waiting for is for this resistance, if it's going to be a resistance, to be more cleanly established. Potential support, turn resistance. Now that's what I didn't see. So all I had marked up was the resistance. Now I see it's a support, turn resistance. I wouldn't be opposed to taking a sell. But yeah, we're still early, so I'll wait for something a little bit more clean, or something I want to take more confidently. Alright, so I just took this counter trend trade. Reasons for entry was I entered on the EMA break, but my reason for entry was it looks like it made a little double bottom right here with this. So that's what I'm basing it off. We really needed to stay above that 13 EMA, but that's what we're basing it off of. Completely aware I'm against the trend, completely aware of all of that. So just gotta wait and see what it do. But the main thing we need is price to stay above the 13 EMA. It's at our first target now. As you can see, it's coming up to it, but like I said, it's at a resistance right now. So essentially price has to break through that resistance. But like I said, as long as you stay above the 13 EMA, we should be all right. First target hit. Close a couple more positions. And my stop loss to break even. And we're gonna close the rest of it at 1 to 2. Hopefully we get a runner. Hopefully it goes 1 to 2. Like I said, I moved my stop loss to break even. What did it say? Yeah, I made 200 off of those 2 contracts. If it goes to TP3, I'll make 7. They're not too bad. Not too bad first trade right there. Let's see if we get a runner. See if it goes. Alright, we got news coming out in 9 minutes, so that was great. That was clutch. We got our stop loss at break even, so we have no risk of losing any money. Alright, we got news coming out in 3 minutes. See if we can get a runner. See if we can get that push. See if we can get that push, man. See if we can get that push. what we like. That's what we like. Go ahead, hit my target, bro. That's all we need. I'm done for the day. $921 in that trade, so that's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Getting closer to completing this challenge. Like I said, I gotta make 9,000 apparently. I don't know what I thought the number was, but gotta make 9,000. We're currently up 1,700, so not too bad. I think I need to increase my risk. For sure, I need to increase my risk. So I look to increase my risk with this, but so far so good. Can't complain. You can see it came and gave us our target, and that's all she wrote for today, man. Like always, I appreciate you guys checking in. It's your boy Drew checking out. Peace.